Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial series on GreenScenario. Before we look at the technical aspects of how to operate the software, let's pause for a second and explain what GreenScenario actually is. First of all, it is a plugin for Rhino and has been developed to augment climate adaptation planning for open spaces, typically in urban environments. What it allows us to do is to create different versions of our designs, different options, different scenarios, if you will, and then assess these based on a predefined set of different key performance indicators. So over here you can see that there is a built-in dashboard, and we can expand some of these categories, and we have numerical feedback that is correlated to the elements that are being shown in the drawing. So if I twirl open the GreenScenario canvas where everything is happening, you'll see that currently in this drawing we have 5 scenarios defined. And using a slide over here, I can switch between these scenarios, and then not only the geometry change, but also the values on the dashboard. They are updated accordingly. And you can see, depending on which version of the design we're looking at, there might be some criteria that we will be maximizing and some others will be lacking. And so this way we can very easily try and understand the differences between various design options, and also provide insight to both ourselves and our clients whether we are reaching some predetermined design goals, or maybe we still need there's some work that still needs to be done to get there. Also, we can easily compare between these scenarios once we have done the majority of the work in the modeling environment. There is also a dedicated website that serves for mostly client communication, external communication, where we can compare these scenarios on a dashboard, which is an interactive platform that every client can explore. We can switch between different views of the project. We can also look at a comparison sheet between multiple scenarios and understand the difference between them. We can select them and then dig deeper into individual features and understand, for example, over here, how many new trees are we planting, how many green areas do we have, and what is the size or the areas of green walls in our drawing. So we have all the detailed information about every of these scenarios. If we were to switch to a different one, these numbers would also adapt, and then you would see that, for example, in scenario number 1, we have only 10,000 square meters worth of green walls, whereas in the scenario number 5, we have roughly 9 times the amount. Additionally, we have an extensive FAQ section where we can have a look at the documentation of all the KPIs and the calculations going into these parameters, and then where do we source our information from, what is it based on, and what is it, how is it being calculated. So all this is available to you in multiple languages. We can switch between languages over here, and then see the differences and communicate it easier to our clients. This is a very quick overview about what GreenScenario is, and in future episodes we'll dive deeper into how to operate it.